of places don't realize when you're doing a restoration, the judges are gonna look. This is a special fin balancer that comes in all the high performance mid-year vets. If you had for instance, 63, if you had the 340 horse solid lifter motor or the fuel injection motor, it came with a fin balancer, unique to this motor. A lot of places don't realize when you're doing a restoration, the judges are gonna look for that. Yeah, we do a lot of restorations from the C1 Corvettes from 1953 all the way up to the C3 Corvettes. Nowadays, people are restoring them to factory specs up into the 80s. We do the 396s, 427 tri-power motors, 327, the fuel injection units, the original Rochesters. We do a lot of those. So if you need anything like that for a mid-year Corvette or any of the older Corvettes, we can restore it back to perfection.